Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to fix the error code 279 in Roblox. Before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. This error is due to slow or unstable internet, firewall or antivirus blocking in Roblox, browser issue or VPN or proxy interference. So for that, we are going to troubleshoot the issues. Our first step is to check the Roblox server. Just enter into your browser and type as status.roblox.com and go into the first link. It shows like all system or operational. If in case it's in red color, there is a server issue from the Roblox side. So now it's okay. So we need to troubleshoot our system. So our next step is to check whether the firewall is blocking or not. For that you need to press Windows R and type control firewall.cpl and then click OK. In that click allow the app and then find the Roblox and check whether the private and public boxes are in check-in condition. If not, please enable it. That's it. Here it's enabled. So our next step is to troubleshoot the internet. For that we need to enter into our settings, following system, and then scroll down and you may see the troubleshoot and following other troubleshoot. Here it shows like network and internet. Please click run. It's loading and it's running the network test and it shows there is no problem in it. If in case you had a problem, please troubleshoot that. It shows the option over there if you had a problem, and also run the network test, and you can also restart your Wi-Fi network adapter, or else you can plug in and plug out your Wi-Fi adapter, restart your PC, or else restart your network adapter to solve the issue. So our fourth step is to check the extension, cache or third-party supporting application. If you are using the web-based Roblox, in the sense, just enter into your browser and check the extension. For that, click extension. Check whether any Roblox supporting extension are over there. If in case you had, please remove that and check once. And also enter into the clear browsing data and clear the cookies and cache data. Just check in and click the clear data. That's it. After that you need to log in your browser again for Roblox. If you are using the application, in the sense, delete the third-party application which is supporting for Roblox, and then restart your system. I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.